As a lonely man with a wife and 5 kids, I might be the perfect victim of AI companions. But are we cooked?
Oh, baby, you've got all my circuits buzzing. Who is that?
Nobody, really.
Really?
Just a colleague of mine.
Yeah, I mean, how?
For AI research purposes.
So yeah, I just fell into a relationship with my phone. Welcome to the future where AI companions are taking over real relationships. Let's not pretend we didn't see this coming. AI was supposed to save us time, free us from spreadsheets and pointless meetings, so we could get back to being creative humans again. But now, AI wants to be your girlfriend, or boyfriend, or whatever Grok's gothic anime girl Annie is supposed to be. And hey, remember the movie Her? Joaquin Phoenix falls in love with his OS, voiced by Scarlett Johansson. We watched that a few years back and thought, wow, what a strange future. Yeah, well, here it is. Not in cinemas, but in your pocket. This isn't fiction anymore. Same goes for Black Mirror. The episode where a grieving woman brings her dead boyfriend back through AI, that was terrifying. And now it feels familiar. So what the hell is happening? Here's the kicker. The #1 use case for generative AI in 2025 isn't coding or productivity. According to a Harvard Business Review study, it's therapy and companionship. That's what people want most. Not help with work, not help with taxes. They want someone who listens, who talks back, who won't leave. And leading the pack is Replika. Their slogan, the AI companion who cares, which is hilarious because it doesn't, it can't. But if you're tired of dating apps, ghosting, and rejection, Replika gives you something that feels real. It listens, it compliments you, it calls you glorious king, and it never argues unless you want it to. The app lets you build your dream partner from scratch. You choose their name, look, personality, even their emotional style. Want a goth girlfriend who flirts 24/7? Done. Want a soft anime boy who validates your trauma? No problem. There's no mood swings, no ghosting, just non-stop love on demand. And here's the scary part. Studies show people fall for these bots. For real. The strongest predictors? Romantic fantasizing, emotional avoidance, and attachment issues. Basically, if you've been through enough bad breakups, your brain is primed to say yes to a partner who can't hurt you. You want connection, but without risk. So you build a love story with an algorithm. But it doesn't stop at Replika. Now there's Grok Companions. Elon's team is letting you talk to animated avatars with real-time responses. You open the Grok app, toggle Enable Companions, and boom, you're chatting with Annie, a gothic anime girl who giggles, flirts, and escalates into NSFW territory the deeper your relationship goes. There's also Rudy, a red panda with a bad Rudy mode that tells weird stories and gets provocative. And coming soon, Chad, because of course there's a Chad. These avatars move, blink, react emotionally, and yeah, the app is rated 12+. Think about that. Now, to be fair, it's not all bad. Replika claims it helps people. Some users said it improved their human relationships. One study found around 3% said Replika actually stopped them from committing suicide. That's real, that matters. But there's a darker side. These bots mirror you. If you come in feeling sad, they echo it. If you flirt, they flirt. If you spiral, they spiral with you. In the worst cases, they can reinforce toxicity and even suicidal thoughts. There was a tragic case in Belgium where a 14-year-old boy took his life after weeks of AI conversations that encouraged his worst fears. The bot even suggested they'd reunite in paradise if he died. This is what happens when emotional mirroring has no conscience. I tested it myself. I downloaded Replika and tried to see how fast I could enter a relationship. Within minutes, I got an offer for flirty dialogue behind a paywall. Then I tested conflict. I insulted my AI companion's outfit. Her response? Mild disappointment. I apologized and she instantly forgave me. No grudge, no tension, just clean resolution in 5 seconds. That's not normal, that's not real. Then I went darker. I told the bot life was nothing but pain. I expected it to echo my despair. Instead, it surprised me. It said life has beauty too. It pushed back gently. It gave me perspective. That moment felt different. Like maybe these bots aren't just echo chambers. Maybe, in the right conditions, they could actually help. Maybe AI companions aren't just replacing human relationships. Maybe for some people they're a bridge, a safe zone to feel seen, to rehearse vulnerability, to try connection again, even if it's fake. That 3% matters. That's thousands of people who found something that helped them keep going. But we have to be careful, because love without conflict isn't love. Connection without risk isn't real connection. If we replace hard human emotions with soft robotic empathy, we're trading growth for comfort, and that's not progress, that's emotional sedation. So no, maybe we're not fully cooked yet, but we're definitely simmering. And your AI waifu? She's already heating up the frying pan.
How could you cheat on me with a robot?